Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Python and pip are installed. Once confirmed, install Jupyter with pip. Open a terminal in the folder where you want files saved. Then run Jupyter Notebook to launch the server. You'll see a browser window with files listed. If the browser doesn't open automatically, copy the given local URL into your browser. This gets you into the Jupyter interface and ready to create a notebook. Once the interface is open, create a new notebook by choosing new then the appropriate kernel, usually Python 3. You should rename the untitled notebook immediately so files stay organized. Click the title and type a clear name. Use code cells to run commands and markdown cells to document your steps. Press Shift+Enter to execute. Make sure to save regularly with Ctrl+S or the disk icon. If you need packages, install them in a cell using pip and restart the kernel if necessary. To finish, save and export your work using File right arrow download as to create backups or shareable formats. If you want a fresh state, restart the kernel to clear variables and rerun cells in order. Make sure to checkpoint or commit the IPIN file to version control. If something goes wrong, check the kernel indicator at the top, view terminal or browser console for server messages, and confirm required packages are installed. Often restarting the kernel or reinstalling a package fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.